In today's video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your media sizes in WordPress the right way. If you've ever uploaded an image and noticed that WordPress automatically creates multiple extra image files, you're not alone. By default, WordPress generates thumbnail, medium, and large versions of every single image you upload. Over time, those extra files can clutter your server, take up unnecessary storage space, and even slow down backups and migrations. The good news is you can easily stop this from happening, and I'll walk you through it step by step. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple WordPress optimization tutorials. Now let's get started. The first thing you want to do is log into your WordPress website. Go to yourdomain.com/wp-admin and enter your login credentials. Once you're inside, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage posts, pages, plugins, themes, and all your site settings. From here, we're going to adjust the default media settings that control how images are generated when you upload them. Next, look at the menu on the left-hand side and scroll down until you see Settings. Hover over Settings and then click on Media. This will take you to the Media Settings page. On this screen, you'll see options for thumbnail size, medium size, and large size. By default, WordPress fills these in with specific width and height dimensions. Every time you upload an image, WordPress uses these values to automatically create resized copies. Here's what we're going to do to optimize your media sizes. Set the thumbnail size width and height to 0. Then set the medium size width and height to 0 as well. Finally, set the large size width and height to 0 as well. By entering 0 for all these fields, you're telling WordPress not to generate these additional image sizes anymore. This prevents WordPress from creating extra, unnecessary image files, sometimes called junk files, every time you upload a photo. This is especially helpful if you're using a page builder or a theme that already manages image sizes dynamically, or if you're using an image optimization plugin that handles resizing for you. Instead of storing multiple unused versions of the same image, your server will only keep the original file. Over time, this can significantly reduce storage usage and keep your uploads folder cleaner and more organized. Once you've changed all the values to 0, scroll down and click the Save Changes button. That's it. From now on, WordPress will stop generating those extra thumbnail, medium, and large image files for new uploads. Now, it's important to understand that this change only affects future uploads. It does not automatically remove image sizes that were already created in the past. If you want to clean up previously generated image files, you would need to use a plugin specifically designed to regenerate or remove unused thumbnails. But for ongoing optimization, this simple setting change makes a big difference. Optimizing your media sizes is a small adjustment that can have long-term benefits for your website's performance, storage efficiency, and overall maintenance. Fewer files means faster backups, easier site migrations, and less server clutter. And the best part is, it only takes about a minute to configure. So just to recap, log into your WordPress dashboard, go to Settings, click Media, set thumbnail, medium, and large sizes all to 0, and save your changes. That's how you optimize your media sizes and stop WordPress from generating unnecessary image files. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tips and optimization guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.